guys, this is Sabby and Cooper YouTube channel. Okay, this is Sabby when she is very mad at Callie. As you can hear, she's probably growling right now. Here she goes. This is Sabby. I'm picking her up. She's very mad because Callie's in the room. And this is Callie, the little kitten. Can you see her? Sabby's very angry. No, you didn't hold her paws. I am.